Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching the Art of Science. Kite flying is so much fun, but it's so sad that it cannot keep flying forever in the sky. But what if I told you there's a way for your tabletop kite to fly forever? You can do this with the science of magnetism. See how these paper clips attract the magnet when they are left free? Well, all we need to do now is tie the paper clip like shown in the video. You see, what happens is the attraction of the magnet causes the clip to move towards it. But at a certain point, due to the length of the thread, it is restricted to stick to the magnet. Please make sure that you take an appropriate magnet to produce enough attraction and a perfect amount of thread length to achieve this amazing result. We hope you liked the presentation and we'll see you next week.